Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to another video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a guest user account in Windows 11 using command prompt, okay? So after we've created a guest account, we are going to give it limited access. So you are going to move the account from the local user group and then we put into the guest users group or in command prompt. But before we dive into the video, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Now let's get started. So to create the guest user in Windows 11 using command prompt, you need to watch this video to the end because I'm going to take you through all the steps, okay? So to get started, we are going to click on the search and then we type CMD, okay? So we are going to run the command with admin privilege. So we are going to click on run as administrator. Then we click on yes to allow these apps to make changes, okay? So the command we are going to use is net user space guest user space /add space / active, and then we bring the column and then we type yes, okay? So this command is going to make the guest user active, okay? So we are going to type net user space guest user and then we bring the hash sign, okay? So you are going to press on the enter key. So type a password for the user. We don't want to use a password for the guest user. So we are going to press enter again and then we press enter again without typing a password, okay? So now we've created a guest user without a password, okay? So now we want to delete the guest user from the local users group. So the command to use is net local group, okay, users, and then we type the guest user / delete. Okay, so this command is going to delete the guest user we've created from the local users group, okay? So now we have to add a guest user to the local guest group, okay? So the command we are going to type is net local group space guest user space / add. So now we've added the guest user to the guest local group, okay? So let me exit the command prompt and then I'm going to show you the guest user we created. So let me lock my screen. So if I try to log on again, this is the guest account we just created with the command prompt, okay? And this is the Microsoft account I'm using to log on. And this is another local user account I created, okay? So let me log back into my Microsoft account. So after creating the guest account, if you don't want to use the guest account again, you want to delete it in the command prompt or the CMD, we are going to click on the search and then we right click on this command prompt and then we click on run as administrator. We're going to click on yes to allow these apps to make changes. And then the command to delete the guest account is net user, then the guest account name, then / delete. So now we've deleted a guest account. So let me exit from the command prompt and then I'll lock the screen again. So you see, now we don't have the guest account here again, okay? So let me log on again to my Microsoft account. Okay, so this brings us to the end of the tutorial. Please, if you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.